Now, diyas form an intrinsic part of Diwali, and since it's a very special Diwali for Huma Qureshi, she decided to make these herself. And sometimes getting your hands in all that mud has its own joy, so why don't you go share that with Huma herself?
Well, Diwali is one of our most favorite festivals, and it's associated with lights, diyas, food, firecrackers. But I mean, we keep doing all this all the time. I was thinking this Diwali, maybe you could try something new, and maybe I could learn new skill. So me and my partner in crime, Sneha, we're gonna try and learn something.
Make diyas, which both of us are absolutely clueless about, and the only thing I'm worried about is this gorgeous outfit getting a little messy.
Yeah, but it's okay. I think Diwali ke liye banta hai.
Chal, let's go find out how to do that then. Okay, it's time to get down and messy, and we have with us our very own instructor Vinod ji. Hello.
Hi.
Happy Diwali to you.
Same to you.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Huma and I have admitted that we have absolutely
Yeah.
no clue how to do this, so the onus is on you now.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah, it looks very interesting. So please teach us how to do this.
I'll teach. This is a pottery clay.
Okay.
We make a basic round. See here. That's it. Take little water. Just hold it with both the hands. You lift your hand.
you trying to do, Huma?
I don't know. Make it longer, rounder.
Not bad, it's taking shape.
I'm telling you, I'm an action at this. But it's so cool now that you can make your own diyas for Diwali. Imagine how cool if everyone made like at least one diya. My nails are going for a toss, but
Yes.
I think it's worth it.
Okay then. This is not half as easy as I imagined. How has Diwali been for you back in Delhi?
Well, Diwali's always been about spending time with friends and family and going to each other's homes. And I used to remember going to my friends' houses because they would have a puja, and I always get gifts or chocolates and money. So it was really special. So yeah. And of course, firecrackers and all the mithai, especially the kaju ki barfi.
Did you
which is
let
my
yourself
favorite.
dodge?
All the time. I think Diwali, is one time you should just sort of indulge a little bit, it's like it's one of those things where you just must. And all the gifts that come home, all the dry fruits, ka dabbas, and the mithai ka dabbas, and the chocolates.
This Diwali is going to be special for sure.
Yeah, man. Get down and dirty. Whoopsie. This is attempt number 1. This is attempt number 2. Very rarely it happens in history that the second one is not as good as the first one, but I think this was beginner's luck. And this is the real me.
And Huma, it wasn't that hard after all. Our first and very own diyas this Diwali.
Absolutely. I think sir really helped. I think between you and I, we would have massacred them. Thank you, sir, that you
My pleasure.
saved
pleasure.
these 2 diyas. Now there will be 3 more diyas this Diwali that will be lit.
Huma, your message finally to the audience this Diwali.
My message to the audience this Diwali is, make your own diyas, light your own lights, spread the cheer, spread the love, spread the light, because it's Diwali and that's what you're supposed to do on Diwali, right?
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy
Diwali.
Diwali.